Hi, I'm Mark Stover with Perma-Column, and I am super excited to be with you today. I want to introduce to you the first precast concrete skirt board made by Perma-Column. Right next to it is a wood skirt board. This is a typical installation skirt board that you use for post frame. You notice it's treated wood. And our philosophy at Perma-Column was always to develop products that would deliver a permanent foundation system, and that's using precast concrete technology. So what we've done is we've used the same technology for a precast concrete post to develop a skirt board. This skirt board is made up of 4 inches of concrete, which goes down on the ground, and wood attached on the top of it for additional framing. This skirt board is patented in the US and Canada. There's nothing like it in North America. This skirt board is engineered to bring you the most tightest, straightest building that you can have in the post frame industry. So there you have it, new introduction, Perma-Column precast concrete skirt board versus the old way of doing things, which is using a skirt board that could rot and could warp. This is not rot, this is not warp, this is the new way to build. Build better, build stronger, build to last. Use Perma-Column.